Hello, my name is Professor Risari from University of Indonesia, UI GreenMetric World University Ranking. I'd like to thank University of Côte d'Azur for being the host of this 11th workshop on GreenMetric World University Ranking for the global meeting of rectors, vice rectors, and university leaders on sustainability. At the moment, we have 1,477 universities taking part in our network, in which we rank university and also collaborate in order to implement sustainability issues in our universities worldwide. And we have 6 indicators in setting and infrastructure, waste management, water management, transportation, and research and education in sustainability, as well as energy and climate change mitigation. We are very happy today to have organized our annual meeting at in Nice, at this beautiful university, beautiful setting of chateau of this place, and we have the publication and also presentation from more than 80 papers conducted by university presidents and vice presidents from all over the world. We have more than 60 countries and more than 100 universities participating in this conference, and we are grateful and thank University of Côte d'Azur, the best university in French, one of the best one in French Riviera, and we are very happy to be here.
It is important for Université Côte d'Azur to host the GreenMetrics events for 2 main reasons. First, as all our sister universities are engaging in this challenge against climate change, this is also our role to be with them, to try to foster our initiative and to go together to find some solution. The second reason is clearly because this is one of the main topics University Côte d'Azur wants to aim at, and so it is very important in connection with our Schéma Directeur to link research, teaching, and the administration of the university so as to see what can be found from our other colleagues universities.